Now, what is GDP? It's pretty much the gross domestic product, which measures the total output of the economy at a given time period. It was pretty much created by economist SImon Kuznets after the Great Depression in order to solve its problems and to properly record the economy. Moreover, the next factor is inequality, and this is the most significant criticism of GDP and has been used in politics. The gains of GDP is unevenly distributed to upper incomes rather than lower incomes. This means that when economic growth increases, that benefits the rich more and the working class much less. So when we see GDP increase, it doesn't necessarily mean it benefits the entire economy. It may just benefit one specific portion of the economy. And this is very significant since the US ranks number one on GDP according to the World Bank, but ranks 41st on the Gini Coefficient according to Investopedia, and Gini Coefficient is a measure of inequality. Hence the picture of Bernie Sanders.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give a like, subscribe, comment, maybe follow me on my Twitter, and I'll see you later.